Problem I'm having with my roof operation is here on this wing that collapses, it looks like a line has snapped. The roof operates. However, these lines get loose and get caught up. I'm worried that more damage is going to be done. As you can see over here in comparison on this side, it folds back. The lighting's not great, sorry. And here, even if I try to push down on this, as far as it goes, I don't know if something's interfering with that or there's some kind of lock that needs to be released during the operation. I don't know. Getting a little closer here. Here is a broken line. Let's see if I can find the other. Broken here, maybe part. We have this that's broken. That may be the culprit. Trying to find the other end of this line here. I'll go ahead and stop filming and see if I can locate something and be right back. Comparing the passenger side, the line that appears to be broken is connected on this wing flap. Pulls it back and forth. There's trying to get the angle on it. See where that's attached, but it looks like the line here is connected to, can pull out this notch. It follows this arm here and goes down to this connection here. Okay, it's taped up and connected to a spring, but if we go over to this side and look at this spring here, which looks bent and taped up, this may have been a previous repair. You get the sheathing on the line snapped, and going off of the other side comes around to this side and connection to this line like we see here. So it looks like I just need to replace this rope for that, not this one, which I thought it would be. And it's apparently $500 part. I don't know. My Boy Scout skills are not really up to snuff to try and splice that line back together. But I think now I understand what's going on.